Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the AISPEECH AI Conference Speakerphone M4 Pro featuring directional voice pickup, 360 voice pickup, active noise canceling, acoustic call canceling. We have some instructions on top here. Nice little case there. And a little charger, USB-C, USB-A. Let's check this thing out. We will be testing it out as well to see how well the voice picking up is as well. Pretty sweet little case. I can just put my charging cable right in there. Good to go. So this features pretty nice little simple design here. Some cloth on the top. We have a this is the directional one here. This is where it picks up stuff within 120 degrees of that. It'll noise canceling, and then it'll pick it up within 3 meters, I believe. Only voice within a meter or 3 meters, something like that. Anyways, I think this also has some pretty cool tech involved with the AI, so we're going to be demonstrating that as well. So this has plus and minus here also that you can turn up the volume or lower it, and then on the side here we have a power button and then the Bluetooth. So we're connecting all that, get this all set up. We'll be doing a demonstration and showing you guys how it works. I'm pretty excited to be testing this out. Hey friends, so I've actually hooked it up right here to my computer, and I'm just going to talk normally. Yeah, just going to walk around a little bit, see how well you can hear me. So this is just like a smaller room, but just kind of showing you guys what the sound is like right here. Walking out here a little bit. There's a little bit of background noise with the fan, so we're going to see how well that was canceled out. And then I'm going to take a listen to I've hooked this up. It's working currently as a speaker and as a microphone for my computer. So I'm going to listen to that real quick. I'm going to try something here, and I'm just going to make some background noise while I'm talking, snapping my fingers, doing some clapping. See if that changes any way that you're able to hear me or not. So lots of background noise right now, and let's see how that worked. Well, that's impressive. It's truly like noise canceling AI. It basically only picks up people talking. That's pretty crazy. I mean, I was snapping my fingers and clapping in front of where I was talking, making really annoying noises on the table. And even I walked over here, I got a fan going on in the kitchen. Normally that's picked up on my mic and causes a bunch of weirdness. Really impressed with this. This is crazy. I'm now going to use it with my phone and just see what kind of distance I can create in the living room and see what the actual boundaries of this thing are. But so far with my PC, I might just be getting rid of my microphone that I usually use and just use this, because that was really impressive. I'm in a kind of next to the kitchen there, so sometimes there's a lot of background noise. And so if I just turn this around, use the directional one towards where I'm speaking, that's basically just going to, everything just where I'm talking is going to be fine. So I kind of needed something like this for my little office that's not super secluded. Really impressed with the noise canceling. Most noise canceling, you're like, okay, it's going to get rid of that. But how it isolates just the voice and everything else is just pretty much gone. It's super impressive. Okay, friends, so I just hooked up to the Bluetooth here and pretty close. Now I just got to walk in away and just talking normally. But as you can see, and probably as you can hear, this thing works actually really well. I'm super impressed with it. Here I'm probably close to 15 feet away, maybe more, and just on the other side of the room, basically, I'm just talking. So if you are looking for a conference call or something like that, and looking for a decent speaker, this thing's pretty insane. Now I'm going to try the app and see how well that works with the AI. So far with the noise canceling and the ability of this thing to pick up the sound, I've been really impressed.